Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you a new feature, which is you have the ability to enable product reviews and ratings in your e-commerce store. So yeah, basically you have to make slight edits in a couple of pages, and then we'll actually see what it looks like in real life. And there's an approval or rejection process for it as well for you as an admin. So yeah, let's just go through all this stuff. So yeah, obviously first you need a online store, obviously. And yeah, let's go to sites, stores. So in this case, I assume you have your store already, your e-commerce store. So let's go in our mock store, and you have two pages where you need to set up the product reviews. One of them is product lists page, and the other one is product details. So let's quickly go do that. So let's edit the first one, edit in a new tab. And for both pages, it is pretty simple. You just click on the products element. I don't remember what was products list. You click on that, and then on the right side, you scroll all the way down, and over here it says show reviews and ratings. So obviously you enable it. Here you can switch off showing the ratings count, which is over here, right? Here it says 45. If you disable it, then it doesn't say anything. Let's say it's a new product. Then you can technically disable it as well, not show that it only has one rating, right? And obviously you can change the text color and the star color. You can keep them as is, or you can change it up to if you have like a different brand colors, or just you use different colors basically. And yeah, this is pretty simple. You just publish the page, and then we go back and we will also edit the product details page. You need to edit them separately, so edit in a new tab. And yeah, we essentially need to do the same thing. There's a couple things that you can customize a little bit extra. And over here, yeah, let's click on the products element, product detail, and let's scroll all the way down, show reviews and ratings, enable it as well. Same thing as before, right? The review count and the same two colors. And also you can change the review button background color and review button text color, which we'll see in a second which ones those are. But yeah, in this case, let's just publish, and let's look at the real life example of what it looks like. And yeah, basically what kind of options it's asking for the person who's trying to fill in the rating. So over here, as you can see, we just have a fake product, basically just basic checkout, right? Add to cart, and you can scroll down. You can see all the ratings, right? This is kind of like Amazon-esque, right? It's really similar. And yeah, over here, as the end user, you can write a review. So let's quickly do that. So you can see it's pretty simple from the end user's perspective. They can choose the rating, they put in their name, their email, contact number is optional, and yeah, and obviously a headline and kind of like a more detailed review that they can write in. And we can click on submit as the end user, and here you can see the admin or the owner needs to approve these or reject them. They have kind of like the final say. These don't go out automatically. And you, as the admin, have to go to payments, products, and reviews. And here you can see all the reviews that are pending, approved, unapproved, trash, right? So it's pretty straightforward. In this case, I just kind of left a review as the end user, but now as an admin, I need to approve it just so it becomes public, because right now it doesn't actually show up. If we refresh the page, it's still going to be empty, although we just submitted the review. So let's go back and let's click on the three dots. As you can see, approve, unapprove, we can reply, and we can move to trash. So first, let's just approve it, and let's just make it public, right? So it gets moved to the approved folder. If we rejected it or disapproved it, whatever it was called, it would be in this folder. Or same thing with trash. If it's trash, then it's in this folder. And now let's just refresh the page and see, there we go. The product is there. So let's check out what happens if we reply. So me as an admin, I can go in and reply. There we go. And obviously you can unapprove, move to trash. Those options are still there. You can still change your mind. Let's send a reply, and let's see what it looks like for the end user, or if anyone else landing here. You can see the reply here. So it's really straightforward, nice and clean. And yeah, as for other things going on here, you can select like a date range, kind of maybe there's like a range for which you want to see the reviews. And also you can filter them based on product, store, rating. So that's pretty straightforward as well. So it's kind of nice and clean. And then no extra noise. It's just kind of, all here, all pretty straightforward. But if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, you can always go on down here, Funneltopia support chat, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.